Let's look at the numbers. All right, cast and crew are leading the way with 11 mentions. Moms are holding strong with 3 shout-outs. God, creator of the universe, 0 mentions. And Mario Lopez, host of Access Hollywood, 1. All right. No surprise in this godless town. There were so many great movies this year, from Wicked to Conclave. Wait, that just gave me an idea. You're gonna love this. You will be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you some Catholic prayers. Oh, sorry, what? Wait, this sucks?
Yikes. You see, hindi ko naman sinasabing totoo ito na ito talaga ang dahilan ng lahat. But the timing kasi, buddy, is uncanny. Isang araw o oras lang ang pagitan ay heto na ang bansang Estados Unidos. And well, after nga nito ay ayun na nga, tulad nung sa Paris Olympics na inulan ng inulan, ay dito naman sa Amerika ay apoy ang bumagsak sa kanilang bansa. You see, ang Las Vegas pati ang Los Angeles kung saan ng Estados Unidos sinsitibatan, galit sa isa't isa, pagiging inggitero, labis-labis na katamaran, prostitusyon, napakaraming sugal, sobrang ganid sa pera, samot-saring krimen, at higit sa lahat, paalala ang mga katagang nasusulat sa Biblia. Kaya naman basahin natin ang Peter 2, 6-9, and I quote, God decreed destruction for the cities of Gomorrah. The God also destroyed the evil cities of Sodom and Gomorrah by burning them until they were ashes. He made those cities an example for what will come to those who are against God. But he saved a lot from those cities. A lot of good man was troubled because of the filthy lives of evil people. Lot was a good man, but because he lived with evil people every day, his good heart was hurt by evil things he saw and heard. So the Lord